I freaking love my bed setup. I still have a little bit of work on the pillows and the arrangements, but I'm really feeling it so far. I was going for modern coastal vibes, and I feel like I'm on the right track. It's 6:50 in the morning on Saturday, and I had to get up because I had movers exchanging my new dresser. But the original one had some issues with the drawer pulls. They kept like banging against each other and just were misaligned. So I got a new one delivered. Of course, my window was from 7 to 9 a.m. On a Saturday, they call you like 30 minutes before. So I made sure last night to put my phone on ring, like loud, so that I could hear it. But it was still shocking. I was like, what? Because I stayed up a little late last night. I'm not really sure why, but I stayed up later than normal, so I'm actually pretty sleepy. So I got up, I put on some decent looking pajamas. I was not going to take my rollers out because I was like, I don't want to take my rollers out because I'm going back to sleep as soon as y'all leave. But I, got myself together a little bit. But now I'm about to put back on my nightgown, and I'm about to honestly lay back down and go to sleep for a little bit.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back, sometimes I won't. Yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't. Like, I finesse down Western Road. Like, yes. Might go down to G.O.D. Yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G. Yeah, wait. I make sure that
I am absolutely starving. It is like 1 p.m. and I'm just getting going on breakfast, and I want like a big breakfast. I don't want no oatmeal, I don't want no fruit. Like, I'm really craving like a good old country pancake, egg, sausage breakfast. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm using this, I don't even know how to pronounce this, pancake mix. I've never used this before. And apparently I got the complete. I don't normally like to get complete. So we're gonna see what this tastes like. If y'all hear football in the background, I'm watching football. So I apologize in advance, but I was not gonna watch it on mute just to record.
I'm set. 50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. I'ma always take the money over set. That's why they need me out the way, what you expect. Got a lot of blood and it's cold. They keep trying to get me for my soul. Thankful for the
I feel like this is a little too thick for my liking. I usually like my pancakes a little bit less fluffy. Like, I like a really crispy edges, almost crispy crunchy pancake. I decided I want some eggs too, so I'm gonna make those. Let's see if this man gonna make this cute. See, it's not the best. Okay, period.
So what's next? Jump up out the bed like I'm obsessed. I go out on tour and I say I'm drinking less. And I'm getting loose and getting pictures from my ex. SMS, triple X. That's the only time I ever shoot below the neck.
All right, here's the plate. Here's my big back breakfast. Really lunch, actually late lunch for today. So I'm about to eat, watch this football game. These like election ads are tragic, absolutely horrible. And I'm so over it. I literally went and voted on the first day of early voting because I was just like, I want to get it done. I don't want to think about it anymore. Like, I just want to get it done. But the stuff they be talking about is just insane. Y'all already know what comes after a nice big meal. I'm about to hit a spot on this here couch ASAP and take me a little nap. I don't think you guys have seen my couch. I got this couch. I really like it. I still have a long way to go in this living room space, as you can see, but I really like this sectional. It's really big. I'm going for like a modern coastal theme. I got my TV house, so I am wanting to get like rug, coffee table. I also have been looking for bar stools for over here. I want like 4 bar stools, and I have an idea of the ones I want. So what I'll probably do is take a little quick nap, browse online for some house stuff. I have a pretty good idea of what coffee table I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do a square one. I saw one at Pottery Barn that I really like. And then I did see some bar stools on Wayfair. But we gonna see. I have a couple of house things coming later today, so I'll show you guys that stuff. It's much darker now. I don't even know what time it is because I've been laying around for hours, so it's probably at least like after 5, 6 even. I am just having one of those lazy days where I don't really want to do anything. So what I'm gonna do is clean up down here. I did get a couple packages, so I want to show you guys that. And I might just end this video here because all I can think about that I'm probably gonna do is go upstairs, take my shower, and get in the bed and just scroll on my phone or online shop. So yeah, let's wash some dishes. Look at this. This is so cute. I got a fake tree. Heavy, very luxe. So I'm gonna put my tree in this pot and I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's the goodies I ordered from Mama B and Sacred. So I wanted to try these restoring edge drops. They're the new ones that came out. I'm not gonna lie, I was like, Beyonce, why are these $56? And it's only 1.7 fluid ounces. But let me put this up so I don't have to hover over the counter. But so I got these, and like I said, they're $56, but I actually saw people's results and I was like, oh my gosh, wow. And for a while I've been struggling with like some hair loss up at the front of my head, and it's actually starting to grow back now ever since I started to use Sacred products. And so I was like, well, since my hair is doing so well with Sacred, let me get these and try these out. And then I also got their reconstructing treatment mask. So I am really feeling like Sacred's products. I really like the hydrating deep conditioner, so I wanted to try this because I hadn't tried it yet. And then for some reason I also accidentally got a sample of the same thing. I think at one point I was not planning to get this, so I was like gonna get a sample to try it, but I got it anyway. So these two things from Sacred. If you have not tried Sacred, I don't know what you're doing. Sacred is so good. It smells great. And like I said, my hair loves it. So B did her thing again, but are we surprised? No. I think I have one more package outside because I was expecting one more thing today. So let me go grab it. And yes, there's one more thing outside, and it was these pillow covers for that pillow. You may have noticed when I was making my bed, I have one pillow that's missing a pillowcase. So that's what this is. So I'm gonna take that upstairs when I take my new pot. And yeah, that's everything I got today. And then I'm gonna clean this up, head upstairs. I might end this video once I get upstairs. I don't know. We'll see how it feels.